floating in midair.
Oh my god!
What's welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, man. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. Okay, this is a really cool levitation trick that you can do at home right now. Check it out. And I want you to see there are no wires above me, anything like that, strings or anything attached to my hands, no trickery involved. So I'm gonna turn around.
Yeah!
Just like that, you can float in there. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. This trick is all about angles. It's all about the angle that your viewer sees this from. You want them to be standing behind you, a couple feet away, and you want to turn your body so that they're really only seeing this part of the side of your foot and the backs of both. So that when you raise up, it looks like you're floating off the ground and they're not seeing your other foot raising you up. So from the other side, this is what's happening. You want to keep your feet together like this. You're going to raise up on your toes on one foot, the foot furthest from them. Keep the other foot level. You're going to make it look like you float. This is called the Balducci levitation. It's been around for a long time. It's a classic magic trick. It is really amazing if you practice it in the mirror and make sure you get it right first so that when you show people, it looks like you're really floating. And that is the secret behind the magic Balducci levitation. Here's another classic way to make yourself float that you can do at home. Take a look. Okay, Veronica, I have a really cool trick to show you. Have you ever seen someone float before? No. Levitation?
No.
You know what levitation is?
No.
Watch. See my feet poking at the bottom of the curtain right there? No. Check this out.
Oh my god!
Yeah, boy.
What?
Here's the secret behind this amazing magic trick. The setup for this is really simple. You're gonna kick off one shoe and you're gonna take a couple rubber bands and rubber band your shoes together. You're gonna do this before the trick starts out of your spectator's view, obviously. I'm doing this with a light colored band on top of black shoes for demonstration purposes, but when you do it in real life, you're gonna wanna get white shoes or a matching color rubber band to match the color of shoes that you have on so they blend in. Got the rubber bands wrapped around, there you're good to go. All right, so you need a black curtain. That's the second thing you need. Just a dowel rod and then we staple gunned a piece of black fabric to it. Get a piece of black fabric for a couple dollars. You're just gonna staple gun that to your dowel rod and you've got this nice magic curtain now. So what this black curtain is gonna do is provide cover so that they don't see this setup with your legs. Black curtain goes here and all they see are the tips of your feet pointing out of the bottom of the curtain. So to them, they think you're just standing normal. Because from the waist up, you look completely normal and the tips of your shoes look completely normal too. What they don't see is you standing on the other leg to lift up your shoes to make it look like you're floating in midair. So from an exposed view, slowly lifting up my leg, you look like they're floating, and then slowly lowering them back down. If you want to, you can slip your other foot back into the other shoe, slip the band off, and then step away clean.
Oh my god!
कराची चल आके देख किसका जोर है कराची पर